In this video, we will discuss some ways to manage time effectively as a manager. When you become a manager, effective time management becomes even more important. As your job becomes more complex, it might get harder to balance all of your responsibilities. You'll also have more people depending on you, since you'll be responsible for the team's development and productivity. Time management strategies can help you manage stress, focus on high-priority work, and maximize your productivity. For example, when I became a manager, the requirement for me to attend meetings went up 2-3-fold. In between those meetings, I was trying to respond to email, complete action items assigned to me, manage my team, and find moments to breathe. Needless to say, there just was not enough time and I was struggling. Eventually, I realized I had to take control of my calendar and be more strategic about what I do and when. An example of being more strategic was simply realizing that if I only have 30 minutes between meetings, I only have 3 options. 1, rest, maybe go to the restroom. 2, clean up my inbox and respond to simple email requests. Or, and notice I didn't say and, 3, prepare for my next meeting. That's it. No action items are being completed, no thoughtful emails to execs, just one of those 3 options. This was an amazing revelation that really shaped my personal time management strategy and ultimately helped me better manage my stress levels and increase my productivity. The exercise I just described is one of many ways to perform a time management strategy called a time audit. A time audit is the practice of measuring how you utilize your time on an average day. Completing a time audit can help you understand how long different types of tasks take you to complete, how much downtime you have, and the ways you might increase efficiency. You can use that data to create a more efficient plan for completing your work. After you complete a time audit, identify which tasks are most important and need to be completed first. Then, move on to the next set of important tasks and continue until you have worked through everything that needs to get done. Another time management strategy is creating short-term due dates for individual parts of larger tasks. This can help you hold yourself accountable and monitor progress. To increase your productivity and focus, use time blocking. Time blocking is the practice of scheduling your time into chunks that allow you to be most productive. Some people work best by having long periods of uninterrupted time to focus on their work, while others may work more effectively in shorter blocks of time. Consider whether your role could benefit from blocking time for specific tasks. This could be blocking time to think deeply about an approach you want to take with a client, meeting with people, or observing how employees engage with customers. Experiment by breaking your day into different sized blocks of time to explore what works best for you. To further improve your time management, focus on one task at a time. Many people believe they can be most efficient by multitasking. However, research shows that multitasking often decreases productivity. Slowing down and focusing on one task at a time allows you to work more effectively because your brain doesn't have to switch back and forth between tasks. To prevent multitasking and distractions, consider putting away your to-do list, shutting off your phone, or if possible, working from a location where others won't interrupt you. Another good practice is to reflect at the end of each week to inform adjustments you'll make for the following week. For example, ending the week considering what went well, what could have been improved, and where you spent time most effectively will help you continuously manage your time well. Applying time management strategies like these help you accomplish more in less time. Managing your time can also reduce stress by helping you to approach your work in a more efficient and productive way. As you work, priorities, tasks, and deadlines may change. Time management is not a practice you do once and move on. You need to remain flexible and frequently adjust how you allocate your time to adapt to changes. As you practice some of these strategies, communicate them to your team. Letting other people know how you are managing your own time is a good time management practice and can have the added benefit of helping them with their own time management skills. As you develop your time management skills, explore what strategies work best for you and make them your own.